In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ClickUp in Slack. We'll walk through connecting the two so your team can create tasks, share updates, and keep work moving right from your channels. Start by opening Slack in your desktop app or in a web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Slack workspace where you want ClickUp to be available. On the left sidebar, open More, then choose Tools and select Apps. This takes you to Slack's Apps section where you can browse and install integrations. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The Apps option may appear directly in the sidebar, and it works the same way. In the Apps view, use the search bar and type ClickUp. Select the ClickUp app from the results, then click Install. Slack may open a confirmation page or the app directory listing. When you see the option, click Add to Slack. Follow the prompts on screen. If your workspace requires admin approval for apps, you'll see a notice to request it. Go ahead and submit that request and continue once it's approved. With Slack prepared, switch over to ClickUp in your browser. In the top left corner, open your workspace menu. From there, go to Apps. This is the central place in ClickUp where you manage integrations. Find and select Slack. On the Slack integration page, click Connect. You'll be guided through on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Choose the correct Slack workspace if you have more than one, and review the permissions that ClickUp needs to send and receive information. These permissions enable features like posting task updates to channels or creating tasks from Slack messages. When you're ready, approve the permissions to finalize the connection. That's the full setup. At this point, Slack recognizes ClickUp, and ClickUp is linked to your Slack workspace. If you're not seeing the Connect button complete successfully, double-check that you're logged into the right accounts in both tools and that you have permission to install apps in Slack. It can also help to refresh Slack after installation so the app appears in your sidebar. Once connected, you're set to start collaborating. You can follow the on-screen guidance in Slack and ClickUp to explore how notifications, message actions, and task previews work in your workspace. And remember, you can return to the Apps area in either tool at any time to review permissions or disconnect if needed. You've now added ClickUp in Slack, keeping your conversations and tasks in sync. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.